So I was getting ready to be on my way home at this point. I was exhausted and I was tired. Then I saw this restaurant sign, Carluccio, and then another sign saying 2-course meal for £20. And my people, before I could even say Fit Farm, I'd already turned around and started walking there. Yes, the temptation was real and I fell. Honestly, I wasn't even planning to eat. But you see, when it comes to food, I'm a very spontaneous babe. No plans, just vibes and hunger. Now, let me not lie. I looked at the menu. I didn't like any of the options in the deal. It wasn't really giving what it was supposed to give. So I had to follow my heart and order the seafood pasta instead. And girl, that thing was good. I'm not even going to lie.
Excuse me, what, as in, do I take one from this section and one from any section?
Yeah.
They said 2 courses for £20. So I'm trying to find out what section I can take.
So first page, if you go that all starters.
Yeah.
You choose with a dish with a star. So you can choose any of that. So this one is tomato bruschetta.
That is, this one is one.
This is starter. This is all plate as starter.
Okay, starter. Okay.
And after there's a star, you can see this is all mains. It's just divided by pasta, pizza, and grill.
No dessert?
Dessert is a different menu.
Oh, it's not among the deal?
No, we just have different menu, but I can bring you.
I would appreciate it. Thank you. So basically, here's my, let me set up.
It was rich, it was flavorful, chef case. I would definitely recommend it, but it needed pepper. As usual now, as a Nigerian girl that I am, a very proud one, it needed small pepper. Just sprinkle on it, just more fire. Next time, I won't make this mistake again. I'll be walking around with my own emergency pepper sachet because this UK food, it can be bland at times. Anyway, Sha, if you're ever in Portsmouth and you're hungry, give Carluccio a try. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more food adventures with your girl. Let's eat our way through life, one spicy bite at a time.